Edge Wallet Crypto Wallet Review. Watch before using. If you're looking for a secure, user-friendly crypto wallet, Edge Wallet might just be the solution for you. Designed for both beginners and experienced crypto users, Edge offers a non-custodial wallet, meaning you have full control of your private keys and, therefore, your funds. What makes Edge stand out is its emphasis on security, privacy, and accessibility. It supports over 130 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and more, making it a versatile choice for diversified portfolios. The app is available for iOS and Android with a sleek interface that's easy to navigate, even for those new to cryptocurrency. One of the key features of Edge Wallet is its advanced security. It uses client-side encryption, ensuring that your private keys and personal information are encrypted on your device and never leave it. Additionally, Edge employs a password recovery feature, which is great for users who may forget their credentials while still maintaining the wallet's non-custodial nature. Unlike many wallets, Edge doesn't require personal information during setup, no emails or phone numbers, offering a truly private experience. The app also integrates directly with multiple exchanges, allowing you to buy, sell, and trade crypto without leaving the wallet. This feature is incredibly convenient as it saves time and eliminates the need to move funds between platforms. Edge Wallet is also compatible with fiat currency, supporting payments in USD, EUR, and more, which is helpful for those transitioning between traditional and digital currencies. For security-conscious users, Edge supports two-factor authentication, 2FA, and biometric logins, such as fingerprint or Face ID, further protecting your funds. However, being a non-custodial wallet, the responsibility of backing up your private keys rests entirely on you. Make sure to follow the app's backup procedures carefully to avoid losing access to your funds. Edge Wallet is ideal for users who want a combination of security, ease of use, and multi-currency support. It's particularly well-suited for those who value privacy and prefer not to share personal data. While it's a great all-in-one solution, it's worth noting that its mobile-only design may not appeal to users who prefer desktop wallets. In conclusion, Edge Wallet is a solid option for managing your cryptocurrency portfolio. Its robust security features, integrated exchange options, and user-friendly interface make it a strong contender in the crowded wallet market. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned investor, Edge Wallet offers a reliable and private way to store and manage your assets.